Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the lesson number 3 of unit number 6 from Iqra Applied Grammar 1. Students, as you know, we have attended first 2 lessons of unit number 6, and in those lessons we covered some book activities. Now we are moving forward towards spoken activities, which are very important, and you know very well the topic of unit number 6 is present continuous tense. So can you tell me what is the meaning of present continuous tense? Yes, Aisha, can you tell me?
Ongoing actions.
Yes, very nice. Present continuous tense means actions which are ongoing in front of our eyes, जिसको हमने रिटन प्रैक्टिस में यूज़ किया है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू नो हाउ कैन वी यूज़ दिस टेंस इन स्पोकन एक्टिविटीज़. ओके, आप इस टेंस को, इस स्ट्रक्चर को अपनी स्पोकन में किस तरह से यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आज हम उसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज लेसन. ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू कैन सी there is a word bank given here. Before starting our spoken segment, we are going to discuss this word bank. So open your books in front of you and let's start reading with me. Okay my dear students, let's start reading the words with me. Disturbing others.
Disturbing others.
Beta, you will read with me. Disturbing others, making a noise, bullying friends, breaking a glass, eating lunch, pointing towards, lifting a bag, dropping a pen, holding a book, throwing rubbish, raising hands, pushing the chair, sleeping soundly, laughing loudly, finding answers, smiling sweetly, sharpening a pencil, looking for a bag, standing on chair, and making faces. Okay students, in this way you will read the given word bank, and you can see all the verbs given here have ing form of verb, and it shows that we are going to discuss present continuous tense. ठीक है, हमें ing form of verb से पता चल रहा है कि हम present continuous tense को यूज़ करने जा रहे हैं अपनी spoken activities में, और ये सारे हमारे पास actions given हैं. all the words are showing some actions. सारे words हमें कोई ना कोई action बता रहे हैं, और आपको meanings पता है कुछ words की बेटा? ओके, कुछ वर्ड्स के आपको मीनिंग पता होंगे, कुछ वर्ड्स के आपको मीनिंग नहीं पता होंगे. अब मीनिंग्स डिस्कस कर लेते हैं वन बाय वन. Disturbing others mean, can you tell me the meaning beta?
No.
Okay, disturbing others mean to tease someone, किसी को तंग करना, disturb करना. Okay, and you can use this in your sentence like she is disturbing others, he is disturbing others, like this. Okay, making a noise. Making a noise mean
Show me her.
Making a noise mean शोर करना. Yes, the students are making a noise like this. Bullying friends means to tease friends. ठीक है, friends को तंग करना, disturb करना, उस सेंस में हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Breaking a glass.
Glass तोड़ना.
Yes, like my younger brother is breaking a glass, like this. Eating lunch.
खाना खाना.
Yes, eating lunch. I am eating lunch with my friends, or you can use in your sentence like this: I am eating lunch in the break time, like this. Pointing towards. Pointing towards means इशारा करना. As I am using this pointer ना, it's my pointer. It's my pointer, and I am using this for pointing towards the words. ठीक है, वर्ड्स की तरफ पॉइंट करने के लिए मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. या आई एम पॉइंटिंग टूवर्ड्स हियर, आई एम पॉइंटिंग टूवर्ड्स हियर, लाइक दिस. आर यू गेटिंग स्टूडेंट्स? नेक्स्ट वन, Lifting a bag. Lifting a bag mean
बैग ऊपर करना.
bag उठाना. Yes. My friends are lifting their bags like this. Bag उठाना और bag ऊपर करना. Dropping a pen mean pen drop करना. Drop करना गिरा देना. ठीक है. She is dropping a pen like this. Holding a book mean
बुक उठाना.
book पकड़ना. To hold book in the hands. Book उठाना like this. Throwing rubbish. Throwing rubbish mean कूड़ा फेंकना. He is throwing rubbish in the dustbin. She is throwing rubbish in the dustbin like this. Raising hands. Raising hands mean हाथ ऊपर करना. To raise hands. टीचर पूछती है ना, if you know the answer, raise your hand like this. Students are raising hands like this. Pushing the chair.
चेयर पीछे खींचना.
चेयर को धक्का देना भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. चेयर को अपनी तरफ खींचना, उस सेंस में आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके. पुशिंग द चेयर. आई एम पुशिंग द चेयर लाइक दिस. ड्रैगिंग द चेयर भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं, वो हमने पढ़ा था वर्ड बैंक में पहले भी. स्लीपिंग साउंडली. अच्छे से सोना, बहुत सुकून के साथ सोना, देर तक सोना, उसको आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. द कैट इज स्लीपिंग साउंडली लाइक दिस. लाफिंग लाउडली. लाफिंग लाउडली मीन बहुत ज़ोर से हंसना. ओके. फाइंडिंग आंसर्स. आंसर्स ढूंढना, आंसर्स तलाश करना, जवाब ढूंढना. माई फ्रेंड्स आर फाइंडिंग आंसर्स लाइक दिस. स्माइलिंग स्वीटली. अच्छे से मुस्कुराना. माई मदर इज स्माइलिंग स्वीटली लाइक दिस. शार्पनिंग अ पेंसिल. ये तो बहुत ईजी है बेटा. शार्पनिंग अ पेंसिल.
पेंसिल को शार्प करना.
पेंसिल शार्प करना. येस. आई एम शार्पनिंग अ पेंसिल. लुकिंग फॉर अ बैग. लुकिंग फॉर हम यूज़ करते हैं कोई भी चीज़ ढूंढने के लिए, जब हमें कोई भी चीज़ ढूंढनी होती है. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ बैग. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ बुक. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर माई ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स लाइक दिस. स्टैंडिंग ऑन चेयर. चेयर पे
बैठना.
स्टैंडिंग.
चेयर पे खड़े होना.
चेयर पे खड़े होना. वेरी नाइस. स्टैंडिंग ऑन चेयर. लाइक द बॉयज आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन चेयर. For example, the teacher is not in the class, boys are standing on chairs. Making faces, it's so funny, it's so interesting. I'll show you picture also. Making faces mean different तरह के faces बनाना, funny faces बनाना. Making faces. My brother is making faces like this. Okay, students. So this is the word bank of actions. The actions are given using ing form of verb. We are going to use this word bank in all the given spoken and written activities. So let's start our lesson properly. Okay, my dear students, we are here with the spoken activity, learn to speak, and what we are going to do in the first part, act out any action given in the box above, and your partner will guess it and tell the whole class. Now what are we going to do? We are going to perform some of the actions and the partner will guess. ये एक्टिविटी तो हम इसलिए कर सकते हैं if we are in class, but right now we are going to do this activity in another way. As I have a partner Aisha here, I'll show some of the pictures, some of the actions to her, and she'll guess what is happening in the picture. Okay, students, so let's start this activity. Aisha, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay, Aisha, better tell me what is happening in the picture. What is going on in the picture?
A man is shouting.
Very nice. A man is shouting. Okay, Aisha, what is going on in the picture?
He is laughing loudly.
Yes, he is laughing loudly, as you can see in the picture. Next one. What is going on in the picture?
He is holding a book.
He is holding a book. Very nice. As you can see, he is holding a book in his hand. Next one. Okay, beta, tell me what is going on in the picture.
They are making faces.
They are making faces. It's so funny, na? As you can see, they are making funny faces. So you have to use this in your sentence like this. They are making faces. Next one. Okay, beta, tell me what is going on in the picture.
The cat is sleeping soundly.
The cat is sleeping soundly. As you can see, a cat is sleeping soundly. Sleeping soundly mean बहुत अच्छे से सोना, सुकून के साथ सोना. Sleeping soundly. The cat is sleeping soundly. Okay, beta, what is happening in the picture?
He is throwing rubbish in the dustbin.
Yes, he is throwing rubbish in the dustbin. Very nice. Okay, what is happening in the picture?
A man is pushing the chair.
A man is pushing the chair. As you can see in the picture, a man is pushing the chair like this. Okay, beta, what is happening in the picture?
She is standing on the stool.
Yes, हमने पढ़ा था ना, standing on chair, but it's not chair. As you can see, it's stool. So she is saying she is standing on stool. So in this way, you will use the given word bank in your oral activities. Now let's move forward towards the second part of Learn to Speak. Okay, my dear students, for the B part of Learn to Speak, what we are going to do, look around and tell what your classmates are doing. You can use you can perform this activity in your home also. You can tell what your siblings are doing at home, what your mother is doing in the kitchen. But right now we are going to discuss about the classroom activities by using present continuous tense. So let's start this. Okay, my dear students, as you can see, I have a picture of classroom, and now my partner Aisha is going to describe this picture by using present continuous tense. Yes, Aisha, beta, tell me.
He is teaching.
Okay, very nice.
He is raising hand.
Very nice.
She is listening to the teacher.
Very nice.
He is also raising hand.
Yes, as you can see, some of the students are raising hand in order to give answer, and some of the students are listening to the teacher. So in this way you can perform the activity B at your home to tell what your siblings are doing or what your mother is doing in the kitchen. Clear, students? By using present continuous tense. Okay, my dear students, let's start the next spoken activity, which is ask and reply. And you know very well, we learn how to give short answers in this segment. Okay, so let's start this activity. Okay, Aisha, tell me, am I disturbing you?
No, you aren't.
Okay. Are they disturbing you?
Yes, they are.
Okay. Is she disturbing you?
No, she is not.
Okay, very nice. In this way you will learn how to give short replies. Okay, students, let's do the next part of ask and reply. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Okay, beta, tell me, are you listening to your teacher?
Yes, I am.
Very nice. Is your friend making a noise in the class?
No, she is not.
Are you shouting in the class?
I am not. No, I am not.
Okay, very nice. Is your teacher teaching in the class?
Yes, she is.
Okay, if you have male teacher, you can use he. Yes, he is. If you have female teacher, then you will use yes, she is. Last one, is your friend eating lunch?
Yes, she is.
Very nice. In this way you will practice the short replies, and you have to send your recordings in your groups, and you have to practice the whole structure by heart. Okay beta, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस को आपने अच्छे से अपनी स्पोकन एक्टिविटीज़ में यूज़ करना है, और आपने अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग्स जो हैं वो स्कूल ग्रुप्स में भेजनी है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? एंड लेट्स नोट योर डायरी नाउ. Okay students, it's your diary. Learn the word bank plus practice पेज नंबर 30. वर्ड बैंक को आपने अच्छे से लर्न करना है बेटा, और आपने स्पेलिंग के साथ लर्निंग करके आपने रफ नोटबुक पे स्पेलिंग्स राइट करने हैं, एंड यू विल प्रैक्टिस ऑल द गिवन स्पोकन एक्टिविटीज़. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.